Welcome back to the Loner Ranger Radio Show. My name is Bruce Woodburn, and yes, I am the Loner Ranger, here to help you when it comes to purchasing a home and saving money on a mortgage. That's what I do. It's what I've been doing for 32 years. Here to help you save money on refinancing. You know, I'm getting a lot of calls from people that are just, they're like, you know, have I missed the boat on refinancing? Yeah, you missed the lowest boat, but you just got it back for a temporary period of time. Had a really good week in the market. Wednesday, not so good. We lost some basis points on the bond market. So just really quickly, here's what's keeping rates low, but not allowing them to go lower. Rates are based on the bond market, not prime rate. Prime rate's going up. The Fed already told you they're going up. That's home equities, credit cards, car loans. They're going to go up. But mortgages are based on the bond market, and they've stayed low. They were up 2 weeks ago a little bit. Now they're back down a little bit. Not a lot. We're not talking about huge changes. But what's happening is we keep bumping up against the 200-day moving average, and we can't seem to pierce that. If we could pierce it, we'd probably see another break in interest rates, just a little bit lower. But we can't seem to. We hit it, and then we bounce back. So like Monday, Tuesday, really good. Wednesday, we hit it, bounced right off of it again. And it keeps doing that. It can't, what's called piercing the ceiling of resistance. Now, if you know anything about stocks, you ever trade stocks or options or Forex or, you know, I watch the market for you every day. And for me, it's my business. I got to know what's going on in the mortgage industry. I got to know what trends are, got to know what mortgages are doing. So when I tell you on the air, buy now, refinance now, pull money out, consolidate now, lock your mortgage rate in now, it's because now's the time to do it because I'm watching the market. It's not a sales pitch. You might not even have your mortgage with me, but I'm giving you the advice as to when to lock it in. I'm giving you the advice as to when not to lock it in. And right now, it's not what we call a floating bias. However, I'm not in an emergency lock. If you're closing in the next 30 days, maybe 45, lock it in. If you're closing in 6 months, I don't think that you have a lot to worry about. Now, who's closing in 6 months? You're building a new home. That's when you're closing in 6 months. But if, let's just say, you said, Bruce, you pulled my credit. I got a 605 credit score. The rate's not as good as I'd like to get. What do I need to do to fix my credit so I can get a better rate? Okay, well, it's going to take 6 months, but I need you to do this, this, and this. Now, does that mean you wait till the 5th month to do it? No, you do it today because it's going to take me 6 months to get it. You're still probably going to be okay. But do we know that? We don't know that. I mean, we're experiencing some crazy stuff going on in the industry right now. But my job is to keep you informed. My job is to be a trusted advisor for you. So I want you to stop your car. Stop what you're doing. Tinkering in the yard. You're on your way to church. You're coming back from church. You're on the way to the synagogue. I don't know where you're on your way to, but pull the car over and save my number. 407-250-9144. 407-250-9144. And then save my website in your phone, WeBringYouHome.com. That's WeBringYouHome.com. That's what I do. I bring you home. We're going to get this thing right. We're going to make sure we save you money. We're going to establish a lifelong relationship, you and I, because I'm going to be there from now until the time I'm done with this, okay, to help you, your children, your grandchildren as a trusted advisor. I mean, I just got off the phone with a guy that, man, he's just, all he's doing is writing off all kinds of things on his taxes, and he's keeping himself. If I could get the income out of this guy, I could save him a ton of money, but he's writing off so much that he's keeping himself from saving money. Don't do that. I'll help you with that. You call the Loner Ranger at 407-250-9144. That's 407-250-9144. or WeBringYouHome.com. I'm always there for you. See you next week. Have a great Sunday. Thank you for listening.